Hi guys! So for today, medyo naisipan kong gumawa ng mga monthly recap. So it's February 1 ngayon, so katapos lang ng January 31. And I have decided for me to keep parang to track na din if I'm reaching my goal, if I'm doing my habits. I'll do this kind of monthly review or monthly summarization or anything monthly you can call about this thing that I'm about to do. Check. English ya. So, check ko yung mga nagkatawa ko for the past month and I'll see if meron akong pwede pang idagdag to improve or meron akong mga dapat alisin kasi feeling ko naman is kahit anong gawin ko, hindi na sapat. So, I'm using this 2025 planner in your highs and lows God is faithful planner. I buy this through TikTok. So, supposedly, I'm using this planner to record all of my expenses, but I chose not to because it's depressing. My errands to do, for example, if I need to do something on the specific day, yan, para hindi ko sila lagi nakakalimutan. Yan, may mga family fan ideas if meron akong nakita na pwede namin gawin as a family. Mga shows to watch, although dito, feeling ko hindi ko na siya ilalagay dito. Yan, pero dito ko pa rin. Then, gratitude lag, weather lag, water summary, and then yung aking habit tracker. So, hindi ko pa nagkagawa because I don't have time yet to do this year at a glance. But I'm starting doing this weather lag. And as you can see, this is a whole monthly spread. And according to Charles Tolmastad, only one life, it will soon be past. Only what's done for Christ will last. Lalim. So, I started to write something on this page kagabi, pero I'm so sleepy na. Yeah, I decided na not to continue. Decided to do this today. Pero anong oras na? Time check, alas 8 na, hindi ko pa rin siya nagagawa kasi natulog lang ako maghapon. Yan. So, pero things to improve my habits and my routines. You will see later why. I haven't write my memorable moments for January yet because a lot happened. And as for the lesson learned, I think I have not learned anything. We'll see later. I'll write it down. And pero as you can see, it's January and most of the time it's so damn hot. It really even rained. It only rained on January 4, Saturday. Oh my gosh. Please be kind to my gentle bud. Gentle bud. Yan. So dito wala pa masyado. Ba't ba kasi? Diba? Hindi pa nga eh. So this is my first week of January. So syempre prayer list natin. Ayan. Since January 1 pa lang, nasa ospital na ang ating Mudra Hills. Actually, hindi naman nasa ospital. Kumaga ba, pa-check up kami always. Ayan, so I'm still grateful. I'm still grateful for both of my parents. Ayan, so sa di malamang dahilan. They always think of me first. Ayan. So, for my life balance goals, so for first, health and fitness for this week. As you can see, for my habit tracker, I've been drinking my medicines for evening, yan, panggabi lang. Hindi ko naiinom yung pangmaga for some reason. Pero, syempre, check na natin yan sa life balance goal. Heart. Naiinom ko na yung meds ko. Self-care. So, I don't have time to apply lotion for some, I don't know why. Pagising ko sa umaga, I'm struggling to find time to squeeze enough time for me to do full body lotion. Pero I'm still trying to find ways and I hope I can do it every day. So for personal development, I'm looking for workshops, but I haven't find any, and I don't think I exert too much effort then for finding any workshops that I can attend to. So relationships, so connect with my high school friends. We've been busy for I think for a year now we haven't seen each other and I haven't connect with them for a long time. So I'm thinking on this first week that I'll connect with them, but busy lang ang person. And so hobbies and recreation, I do V live. So actually I didn't check lang on how many days I do V live, but I do be live. For spiritual, unfortunately I haven't stopped my comfort journal yet, where I can do some reflection things to do, but I haven't started yet. I don't know why. And so that's my errands that I need to do. Cha 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 cha. At first dito nilalagay ko pa yung ano ba yung kwan dito? Parang mga work related pa. Pero I think kasi meron akong hindi. Pero dahil isip ko na meron naman akong separate planner for work related stuff, hindi ko na siya nilagay sa mga susunod na linggo. Ayan, if I need to organize some place in our house or if may nakasked na check-up ni Mujakel. So, kapag naka-underline siya ng red, it means I've done it or nagatapos ko siya. Pag dito naman yan, meron siyang slash doon sa pinaka. Ano, ibig sabihin nun is hindi ko siya nagawa. Minove ko siya. I-move ko siya for the next week. Ganun. Yan. So, I check up din ni tatay yung January 11 and then yan, some personal stuff. Now, don't forget, and then the priorities, of course, the medicine. Nilalagay ko pa din yung mga ilang three priorities that I need to submit or need to be done for the week, work related, and then my personal to-do list. Then my habit tracker. Sabi nga dito, leave a little sparkler wherever you go. Can you see the habit tracker? I haven't drank a single ounce of water for the whole week. Siguro, papareplate natin tong planner. Then palagay natin 2 liter of coffee. So, medicine, naalala ko lang uminom minsan kapag gabi. So, I only drink the evening portion of my meds. Yeah. Pero as time goes naman, nakakasanayan ko na rin inumin yung mga pangmaga. Oh, exercise, of course. Who have time for that? Nandiyan lang yan kasi nakaprint na. Yeah, pero I'm planning to start do some exercise. Siguro, consider ko na dito yung mga 10-minute exercise na pinapagawa ng office every 10 a.m. and 2 p.m. Huh, kala nyo ha. Quiet time. Quiet time, as an introvert person, minsan may mga time na gusto kong walang kumakausap sa akin. That I'm just alone, doing my stuff, doing things I love, or just working in walang ingay na lugar, ganun. So, yan. So, I had only done it on Sunday. Kasi nasa bahay ako na. Pagdating sa office, ayan, purchase business, like reading. So, I'm planning to at least finish 1 book a month since hindi naman ganun ka-leisure yung time ko to read book every day. And so, I'm tracking when are the days I read. So, for that week, I only read during the Wednesday on January 8. So, as I can see, I still need to improve a lot of things, especially on my habits, since most of it are crossed. Tsaka sa aking mga life balance goals. Pero as for my to-do list, I've mostly done it all. So the next week, yan. So same prayer list, same grateful logs, same life balance goal. And so nilagay ko na dito yung exercise, pero di ko pa rin siya magawa. Di pa rin po ako naglo-lotion. Ayan. Di pa rin ako nakakapaghanap ng mga workshop. Di pa rin ako lumalabas with my friends. And for some reason, I haven't done any V-Live for this week. And I haven't started my comfort journal. Yeah. Pero yan. As you can see, life is so busy. I tried na i-plan yung aking exercise, go to the gym, pero wala talagang oras. But at least everything that I write down, ayan, isa tapos ko naman. And then isa na schedule lang yung to the Eco ni Mudrahel since hindi pa kami nakakapag-schedule or wala nang schedule nung Wednesday. Where to do list? Oh my gosh, bakit hindi siya naka-check? Na-submit ko yon. No, it's accomplished. Red na yan. So, habit tracker. Ayan, as you can see, I'm quite improving. I was able to drink my meds on the whole day basis for 4 days in a week. Pero the Saturday, hindi ko alam kung bakit. Ano ba yun? To the Eco si Budra. For some reason, I forgot to drink yung aking gamot. So, still, no ounce of water, no exercise, and then meron ako mga ilang off time ng quiet time and reading. As for the 3rd week of January, and those are my errands, my prayer list, and my grateful log. So, for some reason, ito na naman ako. So, medicine. I was able to drink my medicine naman. Exercise, of course. What time for that? Lotion. Look for trainings, communicate with friends. At least, I was able to do that kahit pa paano. Hindi ako nakapag-V-Live. Nakapag-reads naman ako for my hobbies. And hindi ko pa rin i-start yung aking comfort journal. O, diba, husay? Tapo ko na yung comfort journal. So, linis bahay. Ba't di ko nagawa maglinis ng bahay? Bakit ba? Linis ng bahay. Ayan, so same. At least I was able to drink naman my medicine for the whole day, for the 3 days naman. The chuchu, then 4X ulit. Then I'm having allotting a lot of time on reading, so I like that. So for the last week of January, tada! Walang masyadong errands. Pero hindi pa naman tapos sa February 1. I still have time. Sa tingin ko, gagawin ko pa yung mga nakalagay sa February 1. So, hindi ako masyadong naglagay ng personal errands for this week since this is the week na medyo busy sa office. Since this is the time that we do prepare our monthly end reports. Yeah, so, hindi ko siya masyadong napagtuunan ng, hindi ako masyadong nag-alat ng time for doing some personal to-do list. So, since na-expect ko na ito yung mga ilang moment na kailangan ko mag-overtime sa office to finish all of my work. And so, syempre, pagdating na sa office, I'm so pagod. So, I need to rest. So, medicine, I'm drinking my medicines often na. Exercise for this week, kahit pa paano, pwede natin sabihin check. Bakit? Kasi ito na yung nag-i-start na yun. Nag-i-start na yung namin. Tawag doon? Mga Zumba. So, for example, nag-Zumba kami nung Friday, 2 p.m. And then, nag-Zumba din kami nung Thursday, 2 p.m. So, I guess, that was a success. Oh, ho, ho, ho. So, yan. So, still, no body lotion. So, naguro pa expired na yung lotion ko. Hindi ko pa magagamit or mauubos. Di pa rin ako nakakapagtingin ng workshop. And I don't think I have reconnect with any of my friends for this week. When I mean friends, I mean my friends from high school or college or basta hindi yung mga friends sa office. Because obviously, we have been communicating for the whole day. So live, I do some live during the week, and I have read some pages or some stories during this week, and I haven't started my comfort journal yet. Talaga. Naglagay pa ako ng talaga, pero hindi talaga kaya. So, nung Sunday, nakapaglinis ako, wag kayo. Nakapag-organize din ako ng clothes. So, eto, since nasabay yung aming FDU ng 27, reschedule na ito. Then, nakapanood ako ng video na nagsasabing during the ilan days daw yun. 15-day period of the Chinese New Year from January 29 up to February 12. No one should schedule a check-up or no one should set a schedule na pupunta sila sa ospital. Yan. So, siguro after na nun magpa-check up ulit si nanay. Hindi na napabasa yung result ng 2D Echo. So, nakapag-V-Live ako kahapon. Oh, kayo, check yan. Ba't maglalagay ako ng heart? Dapat eh. I have reacted to the new character trailer of the Honkai Star Rail and a video game. So later, I'll do palit punda and bedsheet, and then I'll make laba-laba before tulog. Yeah, usually kasi I make laba Saturday night. Para Sunday morning, masasampay na siya agad. Diba? So as for my priorities for this week, na-submit ko yung aking monthly accomplishment report, yung aking collection report, yung aking client satisfactory report, and yung aking speaks report. Yan. So, okay na yung aking mga work to-do list. Nakapaglinis naman ako for my personal to-do list. So, gagawin ko yung labadi mamaya at yung pagpapalit na bedsheet. And then, as the saying goes, it is better to trust in the Lord than to put confidence in man. Psalm 118:8. Okay. So, ito pa daw. Maybe you're in the middle of what you prayed for. I think I've been in the middle for way too long, but I'll still trust the process. Check. Yan. So, as for my habit tracker, yan. So, nagkakaroon naman ako ng mga ilang improvements. So, ito yung mga araw na walang tindang coffee. Walang tindang kape yung 7-Eleven. Bakit hindi ako naglagay na ano? I think cross lang yan. Pag magandang pasuspense. So, yun po yung mga araw na walang tindang iced coffee sa 7-Eleven. It's either sira yung machine or ewan ko, basta wala sila tinda ng mga araw na yan. Kaya I was able to drink water. Yan. Medicine, medyo nagkakaroon improvement. Madadala sa rin yung pag-inom ko. So, medyo okay. Exercise, ayan, quiet time, and then the reading. So, later I'll do some pages of this planner. And then, siguro later ko na lang i-video yung aking reflections of my memorable moments and lessons learned. Yeah, for January. Pero, kung titignan po yung specific planner na to, I think I have a lot of things that need ko talagang i-establish sa aking daily routines. I think for the exercise, magiging okay na ako dito since nire-required na kami sa office to do at 10 a.m. and 2 p.m. workout or exercise or Zumba. So, sa tingin ko, ma-accomplish ko na siya from Monday to Friday. Ang problem ko na lang is the weekend. So, I think I need to incorporate na talaga yung mga routines na yun during my weekend. For my quiet time, sa tingin ko talagang hindi ko siya may iwasan. Pero dahil dito lang naman siya din, kaya nandiyan lang din siya. Pero I'm still grateful if I have quiet time kahit once a week. It re-energize. It somehow unease ba? Or medyo nababawasan yung aking anxiety. Parang nga ganun, reading and singing. So ano pa ba? As for my life balance goal, I think I need to improve or need to focus on my self-care, personal development, and relationship. Spiritual, I think I will be doing the journal na later.